Inti Mahama so who say Ghana for bre ye kunkum Ghanaians, but was a sad chocolates at dear ma at the command Palestinian for.
President Mahama, your best row. Ghana, your own toys are.
Na me bisa President Mahama say enne ye tioman mu ha e kom de ye papa. Ye ni wo but yes since de ye wo e kom. Koko akuafo bre omu nya siblings kura mfa nua we ko ka kwasiampani be kasa wo ye politics.
And on Abronye Dc, any other TikTokers, Abba clash with Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, after so making donations to Palestine and Gaza. His Excellency had donated 40 metric tons of chocolate. Obubun contact about cocoa, 20 tons of cocoa were donated at the Ama Palestine for the Omo aiding the free, say Omone Israel for air contokwa. Ama Abronye Dc Abba clash with Mahama. Now face no, Yami had my fear de Miano. Lorry fare across the country, a born air cost by 20%. You better don't come out. How you Penyah block media? Let's watch any demo. Obe like video, no that. My subscribe button and some back the notification corner for latest updates. Now better the word ring. Eddie Amame, comments. Let's watch Baswa. No watch video more from the NB action. Let's start with the Lorry fair increment. Yanka bin shame media na so. Yan name say. Ato force na eba because all about drawing vet or catch the Ghana for say he knows how to boost revenue without introducing any new tax or without increasing already existing taxes. Only one best sika bus system mu abroad for tax emma ni na fragadam e say si fuel tax aba energy levy or the aba je say ya two niema mu taxes ya or the aba 205 the first quarter of 2025 no e di twam oda say fuel so no enu achi ya to fuel mu e fuel e bi asa akwa 14 cedis petrol akwa 14 na nanka Ghana for nya nim say enu a eye oda say ajama na mo kan masem mo na mo hye bosem budget so mo ntima na ajemu nsem enka eye normal but nyame adom a efia de anim ye no lorry fare entumu esa beba GRTCC for make post o mo kiremu say starting Friday 8th October 2025 lorry fares across the country receive 20% increment na eno ana Ghana for ni be aba clash with Mahama.
For breaking news enyumre ye na aba say your two lorry fare mu by 20%. It will take effect on Friday. So your baby car trim send a vehicle for car if you fear their call. Now your born one go come to qua a bino and then a tour tax D levy ever tour fuel so no. A draw for say omun to me and I'll zobesa a cano and to match how my yetim for and to now for car if you Friday qua your two lorry fare move by 20%. And it's all free. Kumase Kong Kraya, now 126 cities. And to look at 20% now, I feel they over to 144 cities. A biome free Kumasi Elko Upper East, now Vrongo side. Now a 230 cities from Kumasi to Navrongo side in Upper East, now 230 cities. So Oka quality a year 20% of it. I feel qua a bono or metum. From 230 cities to 276 cities. If you Kumasi air corner Vrongwa, if you fear that airco, unto 230 biom, then we to have 276 cities. If you Kumasi Kong Kraya, unto 120 cities biom, obi to 144 cities. Ebusian for most of our travel in short in town, no, now check 20% of Sika Mobitua. Mahama is the whole. He is the whole, and of course, resetting agenda. Eka susuru ya boka.
Na obeka ya bokonto kwan astati gidigidi. I say, is am no say kwa declare ya the curfew atumo so am deploy soldiers for alcohol no I say boko for no kra no. Omunya homeje boko SHS school so obi ade ya tum. Next for class so omepie akwa bonten akoye adwuma say ehun ado obi as obi esru. Sando kwa corona be na Palestine and Israel. Omo konto kwa. Israel for hodins in Palestine, but Palestine was the Kianic Omuntiasi, Omuno Ombekum. Never to call Palestine any Israel aircon. And I said, there's a wedding was with Debbie. Palestine for my because Israel for no outwash your musodo. Tell my home mobile. And his excellence are donating 40 metric tons of chocolate to Palestine as Obubon Contana, 20 tons of cocoa or that you Omunko didn't free.
Of Ghana. I extend warm greetings to you all, and particularly to our Palestinian brothers and sisters. in these exceptionally trying times. Today's event is a gesture rooted in friendship, empathy, and the enduring historical ties that exist between Ghana and Palestine. Ghana and the state of Palestine have long-standing and cordial relationships built upon mutual respect and cooperation. Indeed, the relations date back to the establishment of the Palestinian Liberation Organization's office in Accra in 1986, a move that marked Ghana's unwavering support for the legitimate aspirations of the Palestinian people. Has further been deepened through meaningful diplomatic exchanges. We're on Dr. Mahmoud Siddiqui Al-Habash, Chief Justice and Advisor on Religious Affairs and Peace Relations to the State of Palestine, and his esteemed delegation. Their visit reinforced the enduring spirit of cooperation and mutual solidarity that binds our two people together. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today not only to reaffirm our fraternal ties with Palestine, but to respond in a small yet heartfelt way to the humanitarian needs of the people of Gaza. The images and stories emerging from the conflict zones, particularly the suffering of innocent civilians, especially women and children, are heartbreaking. They are a painful reminder that behind every headline and every statistics, there are human lives, people who long for peace, dignity, and hope. In this regard, the government of Ghana is pleased to extend a humanitarian donation of about 40 metric tons of premium Ghana-made chocolate and cocoa-based products under the distinguished Golden Tree brand to the people of the state of Palestine. This donation is both symbolic and practical. It is symbolic because cocoa is one of Ghana's most treasured natural commodities. It represents a significant source of economic livelihood for millions of Ghanaian farmers and families, and embodies our national values of resilience, warmth, and generosity.
Na eno no, ana Ghana for no abemu. Abronye Dc any other TikTokers abe join the conversation. We tell them say Mahama, Ghana ye shada so da bay, ye nya ye ho da bay. Bawku for no kura den ade ama wo mu. What time? 20 tons of cocoa. O de akwache kwa. His Excellency, ye nsha na so sao.
What shall so say? Ghana president be a can last time be a will be free so and now Abronye ne beyiba. Huh? Inti Mahama so who say Ghana for ye kunkum Ghanaians, but was a sad chocolates at dear ma at the command Palestinian for so much more try no dear who dear one in her. What many a lot of was our meeting a catch room say. Wo fu assurance say bibia you okay. Wo nya hwentia wo mu. Mahama wo. Emra Bawku untimi survey. Emra arm robbing kidnapping untimi survey. Hey Mahama. Obi ka se obi di Ghana aburo se yanka obi anjindi. Wo Mahama. In fact, what shock fans. Nana kora oka so wo si asore da amenyame. Ye gina asore da ne so tu no. Na wo a wo tan alatafo ku Ghana fo. Hwede Bawku aye. Udi chocolate akoma wo mu. What you mean the protection akoma wo mu? Udi uko protect alatani. Now do you think alatani do they care about Ghanaians? When she shenim na mo ye no. So wo kontu say na ko. They be affect mo NDC for na wo bi akama no to mo na be affect mo.
Na sebe me san so nka se president na so jan hwehwe anim no. Entokwesi Bawku a omoko ne ade endura wasesa omanmu chocolate 40 feet container mienu so they call Palestine. Bawku for the mo chocolate enyi. Omaina sebi Palestine for nyom ntoko omoko. Wasesa Ghana cocoa chocolate. Ese what they call Palestine. Se one ma omonyo ntoko na omonye yi no. Omundi ye chocolate na Bawku de omodi chocolate ni ko wonu ma echi. Settings ne ya boso And too much, and it's very, very important, sir. Mobema president nehu. President Bawku ya she galamse ekoso onu ani fie ewo ayi ni krom bole bamboy. Yesu say. This president has nothing on kabi biafa ho. Embra breaking news about ni say Erastus Asare Donko also forest reserve. Ewo your friend is say me fe o se adwura ho baabi. Omo bawram as at 2 p.m. Embra 2 excavators. And so more about more catching and some more airline that one no be repealing. E ko say moka private jet won sem and the president to kwan private jet no de ko. And no more mo catch the Ghana for mo ka say mo ba be different nyina no. And no na mo ye. And then president eating akunyam and clearly I can say the president is not in charge. Why am I saying this? The president is not in charge because unto enkofu asebi o wonu me di oban Ghana sika. What President Mahama in your first term of then finance minister your friend is a tepe. Enya signal from IMF no World Bank say banks no mu bi ya kwa akugu. It is a one for one yansi for ma. Sa banks na egu ni nyina no. Wonu mu di depositors ana omamufu sika no. Ebe dwane ana egu a wonu mo sanka back. O se na o finance minister buy no be kasai. Obeka kire wa na wo finance minister no eye recommendation de ma president. Na president say ntisisi ade no onye finance minister set up to me kire say president so one for one sika no am pesika nhemu a banks ni nyina begu. President say mate president ko pay sika de ma banks ya eye ko na before bay one mu jiska na one mu diska no akwa real estate ebinum de ko be different banks. It is sad you know one mu ye no e say book President Mahama abaso because Sir President Mahama after that time if he wasn't a current president and kasa time na nkomo be ka kire ne say banks no egu no any sika no please I'm building something me person me ma hu say near ekoso o man the president is not in charge o ma sika de ma sankofo we e mo de ko share banks ni mu what be discuss wo de kwa akoye aduma obeji iska no odi akwa akoye bibi different uton kosua no waba be humi oh ben minister misika me de share budget me de share aduma no ma hye nti me ton kosua ni meku ma miska na me ma uska se fa ko share yi ma the next minute me share wo kwa akobo uti aduma ni mpo de nkosua no fa nko bio President Mahama ma banks yi no nyina ska akufo ado baaye no se na mo abanda da ma muska se mo fa nya yi ni ska na mo de ma se mo fa nche banks na banks ni ngina no sika no hefa ozo omugina omu twiro twiro meti ya de bia koye real estate ya de bia koye say ya de bia koye say o say Bank of Ghana say obi anfa ne license enye de embra na sika na deposit sika ne de abani so obe make sure say sika ne beda ho no now abani ba back one mu de Ghana fuachi if you read the KPMG report now you could see say near Abani Yeno was to save depositors. And Bank of Ghana, need you say, Obe making sure say, Obe day, one man, threshold and now benchmark at that one now, a cost insolvency in Yinan, what we're meeting in Yinan, your bedroom license. But on your politics, Obaye, look at what Anyini is doing. Abaye say 60-40. Ubokro no Abaye mua. Ube to me abo, modia, at the 60% ababa 40 ne de yewodia. Abia aban dada no omo musika so omo financial bank nim same banks no wonum edikoye den edikoye bibi different ohene ba ne ne papa tie ase ato asian ekokodem kobnadufo na asema ye nkan wiye aban baye nkofo beble no wakre omo nti na one clearing agent no
President Mahama ye besrew Ghana ye ho ntoye saawo Papa, Ghana, come die pa. Eti wunya ho sen na wakwa akoboa obi a sebi omode ntokwa ahya ase a ya kan omunyai omakoa ma omukuro etete apansam. Papa, Bible say you are near simpoponi awie asa na you yonko de. uti krom ha uti wankasa ukrom bokunto kwa curfew do omo so a omo hye demo a ebi innocent souls esu enye omo nyina na involved of this act unti min komo omo tujimi wanka pumpo na wasoa wo ho akoma Palestine for 40 metric tons of one niemonic chocolate ni niema sika yakra IMF dia beso ya sene se yemfa ntwitwa ye ho no eno na president o say na papa okasemu no na nko se okache Palestine for se munyai na ntoko ese omoman no papa be ho krom ene onam kra na nso usuro this boko thing ama nipa bonefo e de omo ho afrem a omo say oman no e wo udini mu ena mensem bia okeka during opposition some statement, some deadly statement, some reckless statement, papa, was splitting, was spew here during opposition. And I'm a ne, Bakonto kwa, and I had the agent ha. Papa, this is not the Ghana we voted you for. And you may say, no, Papa, we are now.
I could see for me, be a marching and a good Sunday, and it said, which at you be a. That picture with that video, we not in person make come once. But my dad dream one I was make come once. A year end this year by President John Dramani Mahama. President John Dramani Mahama, we respect you so much and we admire you. That you won't be answer. Name no a chance to be because a Ghana for. I wish I want video that I'm showing. That is President John Dramani Mahama sending food to Palestine. Your cocoa seedlings now ya done no 40 tons of cocoa seedlings are being sent to Palestine. Say a hono where still it's young Ghana for we have that for country. Your common a chiane. The cast in the city one they take off Palestine. Mo ya Ghana and a COVID see and an another drain on mine home and a free food. And no NDC for be so jagumu. Say Dianina government ne chema ayi Ghana na nya. Na me bisa President Mahama say enne yet your maimu ha e komodi ye papa. Ye ni wo but ye since ye wo e kom. Koko for bre omunya sidlis kura mfanua we ko ka kwasiam pani be kasa wo ye politics. Go to Bawku. There is curfew in Bawku. Bawku. Omunya aduane their daily activities has been banned. Bisa say aban no enuane ahi and wasenya ko Bawku. Bawku is in Ghana here. One say NDC for sometimes omunhwe hwe ni mu bi no eya na medwen wa mente say okoka kwasi ampani bi ebeba bedi watem. Mata Ghanaians are your mu. There is a little conflict in Bawku. Small conflict in Bawku. We have not been able to give them food. Bisa me say Bawku no. And he funny sorry so munko je aduane. But your president any NDC aban e de aduane koma Palestine for. Palestine na COVID see and Palestine for mu bre aduane di ye. Krowe mu ahu. Ubenya full soldier bi o ye dede ena Mahama ena kwen but o man na yetimu no ye bre etima emu fo ni kra ye nya aduane ni enso ye se ne aduane akoma Palestine for because omo go to Bawku eja da Bawku mu bisa me say you funny ya say Bawku fo nko didi wo ho because their daily activities has been banned. Ask me wo ko kan kwasi ampeni bi be watem
Munyabi breakfast. I told you for more Bawku sisi ameno mo kase.
Read my lips.
Bawku ya hina no ya. Akoko product ni ya de kwa. Emfra lupre. Ya de fa form de akwa koma soja for mo Bawku. Wo mo sara no pa milo kura mo de ba fa breakfast. Ebi ni ho. Me mu sa soja for no mo Bawku say breakfast milo wo maduane wo mo ko ho no. Wo ma hu milo da.
Continue.
Every more cocoa assemblyman bi a no free Asante region ye friend Mori Koko no ni Koko no bi kura no ho adene ma omo wo Bawku continue soldiers no Mori Koko ho adene ma omo wo ho nso ya tam 40,000 tons of cocoa products said they call Palestine. Yeah, they call omo so omo ne mu aye omo doko basabasa e ko ho no wo mu ni cocoa kakra wo mreko asojafo amoso omo nkwobo ban enkwasi basabasa omo sora no pa e milo small milo krom de betwa breakfast ebi ni ho na mo bu omo sei ekwam na eku omo wo ho ekwam na eku asojafo no wo ho. Defense minister may challenge me. Chief of defense staff may challenge me. Woman leader or da man may challenge me. Me say a kwam na eku omo wo Bawku a kwam soldiers na woman feed omo ye a kwam na eku omo. And so my time cocoa product at the call Palestine. Musi mo bia nka wasem ye wo kan wasem a ye be ma bia na aba be fa mo wa ba be kirekirim. Wo be kirekirim diem. Cocoa product na mo de call Palestine e kwa Bawku eyie mo de commercial jafo no di eyie omo di eyie omo so ye nipa mo feed omo yi a they will do a good job for the nation because omanya dwuma na omo ye wo ho no enti sa cocoa product mo komo omo bi na omo sara no pa na omo nya milo papa di a e kom na eku omo a akom ni omo a won be make sure say asundue ba ba
Ubeto achira wajene amame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.